human mind that defines evil, right and wrong. Because the evidence is, society doesn't define right and wrong. Hindi porket maraming nagsasabi na ito, tama to, is tama na yun. Baka may tama ka lang, kaya tama yun. Hindi, nagbibiro lang ako. Pero, there can be only moral absolutes if there's a God. And there's no God. We define morality. Human minds define morality. Society defines morality. Nazi Germany truth is their truth. Americans truth is their truth. Philippines truth is their truth. There's no right, there's no wrong. All is relative. Walang tama, walang mali. Kung para sa akin ang pumatay is okay lang, or ang cannibalism is okay lang, well, that's it. Okay lang yun. Kasi on my society or on my morality, cannibalism is good. Cannibalism is not wrong. So, why you gonna define my